Kakaltamo kabalen, misuswerte nga makipagsapalaran laking alawang bansa. Orat ang amanuan tampong OFWs na nanumaning obra da o profesyon. Siguradong itang diskarting Kapampangan mababating yung karelang disposisyon. Kalupaning kabalen tamong akaumpukan ng Atsing Son ng ngeni matagumpeyang negosyante king London.
Metong karempe ka matagumpe Kapampangan king London i Verna Reyes-Barakat at tubong Angeles City at menoknangan mo naman king syudad Mabalakat. Niras yaking bansang iti king edad a 19. Lino biyang niyayaliwang klase ng obra bang mayari king pamagaral. Ngeni atineng consultancy business, restaurants, real estate at aliwa pang pibanjan. Lebanese siya ang kayang ayasawa na Zachary Barakat at atim lang 4 a babaeng anak.
Tao ang nalagyan sa katao. Nagkakabal sa UK.
So, umilis ko kayo in 1990. Tapos, less than a year later, I met king asawa ko king Magubray king Londred. And we were both 19 years old. I was, kaya ko, mitaw king kayang Londred, Chuking University, mag-aral ko naman, at saka mag-work at the same time. And after that, we've been together since then. Kachip na kami siguro, kachip na kami 33 years. We've been together for 33 years. Yeah. Tingnan kami 4 anak, 4 lang babae. Yes, 20 years old, 16, 14, and 11. Igan-agan ng obra gawa ko, Kenny, para siyempre, habang mag-aral ko, may talagang ka na akong pasya, ka na talagang plano, is to work, tapos study, para ka na akong biye, magaluwaya. So, yung gawa ko, kama mag-obra ko, mag-aral ko. And then, siyempre, hanggang anong obra, liban ko. Tapos hanggang kitang mirasitang aldong niya kakuha kong diploma and everything. Tapos, miras ko king hospital, kaya private hospitals. I worked there as an admin. To start with, mag-admin ko pa. Administrator.
Pero ito may nag-aral culinary arts
Aliko.
Hotel and restaurant.
Aliko, I did business management, King College Kenny, just for me to learn exactly how to manage the day-to-day running of the business and things like that. So, itang kaya kang basic knowledge na ng business managing. Kinaya ko ito for 2 years. Tapos, after that, sabi ko, kulang pa yung ka na akong kabaluan. So, yung gawa ko, may garal kong immigration law. So, I did that for a year and a half, for almost 2 years. I got my certificate and everything, and I opened my own business consultancy. Di ka na ako sa Soto, di kang kapwa tamo Pilipino. Akong gagawa ka rin papeles ka rin kanilang passports, visas, everything. Gawa ko ito for 6-7 years bago may kayang asawa ko king mag-invest kay. My husband actually can tell you exactly how did we come about to actually do our own restaurants.
So now that I know about you, I'm so interested to find out what is it about your culture and hers that made you click. And you've lived together for the past 33 years.
I mean, we met a while ago, so 1991, and then we have similar background. I think we shared the same religion, and then we share also the same values. So we both value family, value important times together. So these things made us really live comfortably together, and then we decided to stay together.
Yeah.
Probably you love food also.
Absolutely, the love of food. Exactly.
Exactly, no, it's true. We do love food.
Yeah, because Kapampangan, you visited the Philippines several times.
Many times.
You probably know her family very well.
Yes, that's right.
And you must have Many reunions were food.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, both our families,
Yeah.
you know, on big occasions, we both revolve around food and drink.
Yeah.
So absolutely right. On big occasions is the best
Are
thing
there
to do.
similarities in our cuisine?
I mean, the grills are very similar. Marinations maybe a bit different.
Yes.
You use more soya sauce. We don't use soya sauce.
Yes.
Ano until now?
For example, itang marination na yung chicken, okay, ganun na itong location, uling aking magbante ka rin, ako mo mami ang training, sangkaan natin training po naman. So itang marination, in-introduce kayong, imbis na gagamit kong saffron, which is very expensive, sabi ko, yung gagamitan ko asweti.
Wow.
Asweti. Parang ang kuli, ang bukbang, yung nag-introduce kayong soya sauce, king kaya kaming marinations, para itang ka na akong roots, at suya ka rin mo rin.
Ikaw po naging mo.
Ayaw kami nga lingonan eh, siyempre. I'm very proud. Thank you. Ako Kapampangan ko at karin ko ni Bayit, of course. Yeah.
Madalas kayong mumuli.
We try to every year. I go back home
To
visit Philippines every year or even twice a year. Pero ang pamilya ko Kenny, di nga pa kong anak, every 2 years. It's been a while kasi pinikat ang COVID. Kaya kaya nakauli.
So we try to go 1 year to Lebanon, 1 year to the
Yes,
Philippines.
exactly, yeah.
So we can see our family, my side of the family, and then 1 year we see Verna's family.
Yeah.
Do you like Kapampangan food?
Absolutely.
Kapampangan food.
Every day, my children, they love, talagang kailangan ditang Filipino pamangan every day. It's not every day, but almost every day. Kalupa na mo itang palabok, sabi mo din. Pagluto ng palabok,
Luglug, pansit luglug.
luglog, pansit, yeah.
Sisig,
Sisig. Sisig
What
yung
about the
paborito
Mongol?
na. Munggo.
Munggo.
Balatong.
Yeah.
Balatong. Ito. Iyan paborito dito. Balatong ating paro. Ito. Iyan paborito dito.
Yes, yung Kapampangan.
Alya. Yeah.
You did not learn.
I wish. It's very difficult. I couldn't.
What is delicious in Kapampangan?
What is delicious?
In Kapampangan.
I know inihaw na baboy, but delicious, I forgot.
Manyaman.
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 What is your favorite Kapampangan?
Yeah.
So sisig is definitely my favorite. That comes on top.
She knows how to cook.
Oh,
Oh.
excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Very.
Lalo paborito ng Kapampangan dish.
Itang manok, babi, ating patatas, nasa sa lagwitan. Panaking, naman menudo.
Fritada.
Apritada.
Adobo.
With tomato soup. Adobo, yes. Yeah, exactly.
course,
Yeah.
adobo, yes.
Which brings me baka nano kayo never isa. Makanino yung never because we're so impressed with you. When we first, walk into this place, because we came from the stables
Right.
earlier, Camden,
Yeah.
down, and then we, this is exactly opposite
Yes,
of
yes.
that place, So we said, this is a classy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It's a funny story about this place. It was designed by a British designer
Yeah.
who was just starting up. So back in 2010, when we launched this place, the Westfield ownership loved the design so much that they commissioned the designer to design all the lighting for a new Westfield that they opened in the Olympic Village.
In Stratford,
So in Stratford. So suddenly the designer became very famous on the back of designing our place.
Yes.
This is your first.
No, it's the same designer who designed the club that we opened in 2010. You can.
Yeah, so we opened a place before this, a French-themed bar and restaurant, and a club as well, called Coquine. And we opened that in South Kensington. The same designer designed that place.
Yeah.
So we launched that first, and then we launched this one 6 months after.
At iapinin kaya kayo balaka.
Oo, atin yung kaya kang peka Raimi, kabiyayan. At the same time, ito kami muna ng real estate. Kaya kami kasi from the beginning, my husband, may obra king bangko kasi he was an investment banker for 14 years. nang retire niya, sabi natin, datang pera nga lingkot ni, i-invest nila kini thinking properties ang po ba kining industry na ini para makapag-relax ka. But it's not actually relaxing kasi maragul yung, it's a big job. It's not an easy job. This yeah. So we have few properties around London, East London, West London, Kapaupa Milan. At the moment, yung business mini, malibang ka rin apat na restaurant, ating kaming portfolio of apartments and houses na Kapaupa. Yang mo brand, yang ike kami ng investment.
Siyempre, yung anak ko pa ang kilala, di ba? So, ko pa maka-establish niya. Yung liban yun, yung kaya kayong relasyon, makanya. Rin pera kang masakit, yung wala na yung pabig sa akin.
Of course, along the way, masakit hindi tingnan mong dalanan na masanting. Pero anong talagang positive tsaka balo may pupuntalan mo, and you don't stop really like dream all the time. So
dream big, absolutely.
Dream big, yeah. Yeah, sabi ko karing anak ko, isipan mo yung kaya kang pangarap, hanggang pang baka nanuya karagod. Pangarapan mo kasi mo balo, dating aldo po takwa mo. This is my motto, hindi ako.
Ikaw bilang meto ng Pilipino, bilang meto ng Kapampangan, lalo mo itang isnan mong sitwasyon kaya niyang kultura na rin maputi na medyo mag-adjust. Discrimination, for example.
Discrimination. Ala ko nga kayang makanito. Ala ko nga experience discriminations or hardships or things like that.
London is really a cosmopolitan
Yes,
place.
exactly.
I mean, London maybe is different than the whole of the UK. London definitely is and is more accepting to different cultures as well.
Yes, exactly. So ala ko nga sabing kayang makanito. Okay yung bansa.
Aliwang Kapampangan. Deng anak yun, baka na ituturo mo pa kareling kulturang Kapampangan.
Yes.
Kulturang
Talaga.
Nano mo, yung baho.
Sabi ko kanita, kutang ingat dumoring anak ko, kutang da kana ako naning dalanan ko ng anak ko. Istorya ko karela na makanamin kasakit na nga Chuko Pilipinas, up until namin miras ko Kenny. So tuturo ko la nung naning disnaning metong nga tawo, nang marano kong disnaning biya ko Kenny, at marano yung may nagumpay metong nga tawo. So kakayang kulat ang itang mindset da, buli ko lang nga balo na nung naning milyari ka na ako up until today, para abalo, then they can learn from it. You know, they can learn from that. Nung natang maging kong experience, malibat nang may kumpisa ako Kenny up until today.
What is the secret of your marriage? you've been together for 23 years.
Yes.
Two people from
as you said before, food. Definitely food. Because great food. But really understanding and then being able to understand life, have common goals, and have common dreams. You know, we've done a lot of things together. I think most things together. So we've dreamt it. We made it into a reality. We worked hard on it, both of us.
Yes,
so it's
true.
really ours. So every step of the way, we were really feeling that we are together, struggling, fighting against life, against adversities, but we made it together.
Yeah.
So this brings the bond closer of our bond, and also the same thing with our children. So although
four girls.
Yes, of course.
Of course, Filipinos, Kapampangans, we have a different culture from you, of course.
yeah.
What to you is the most difficult to deal with? Let's say with respect to the culture of Filipinos in general.
Yeah, I mean, it's. I don't find many difficulties, but if I have to say something, would be maybe we do a lot of social engagements. You know, we do tend to do a lot of social engagement in our Lebanese culture. It's the same in your culture.
Siguro, kaya point ay ni, anong matikmanan ba kaya katamong kapampangan, mas anak, kaya ka, sa pamot niyang biye, na mo itang mensahe pwede mo ibiya ka rin, itang, lalo na rin, itang isang minas kiki, o minas ka rin animang lugar para masensulat yung biya sa lupa mo.
Let's go back kay Kapampangan. So, ika na akong mensahe, dapat din tao, eda kakalimutan, nanin kaya kang penibatan, kailangan you know how to look back. Para mo you have to work hard, you have to actually put your heart into whatever you do. Tapos, maging yung salising kaya kang biya kasi nung if you think na mag-isi-isi ka mo, dapat talaga, you really have to work hard and you have to think about na maging kaya kang future.
Sabi na rin, ganun ba ang kapampangan, masalamat ko kaya kayo.
Oo, dahil salamat.
Babi katagon, akakwentuhan ba kayo?
Kumbaka salamat
Kaluban
for
na
your
sinabi
visit.
ko, gagawa kaming series, documentary, on the Kapampangan diaspora. Kasi the Kapampangan are everywhere in the world. They have been contributing to the societies nung ka rin na dinatang, nung ka rin anti mo kayo. You made your contributions, you continue to make your contributions to wherever you are. Kenny, sabi mo, pini kayo, mga yan. Despite itang many, sacrifices na bigdalanan nyo. And masaya ako na akilala na kayo. At akakit ko itang success you, Kenny, pwede de pa mo rin maging source of inspiration para ka rin kapwa-tao mo Pilipinas.
Maka-inspire taga na yung istorya aning kabalenta mo ay Atsing Verna Nepo. Ene makipag-obra ngeni. Yan ang mamie obra. God's will po talaga at potang miyabe-yabe pa yung galing, diskarte, sipag, ampong swerte. Imposible ing asenso. Abayan me pang feel. Nepo? Kapibabatan, libutad, ning kasakit. Ating kaming uling, kapampangan kami.